I am Mr. Prakash Khare, Assistant Professor, Department of English, PDMP College, Tasgaon. Sonnet as a poetic form. There are many forms of poetry, such as song, sonnet, ode, elegy, ballad, lyric, and so on. Today we are going to discuss about sonnet as a poetic form. The word sonnet is taken from the Italian word sonetto. The sonnet originated in Italy in 13th century. Such a sonnet consists of 14 lines. It expresses single thoughts or single feelings. There are two major types or parts of sonnets. The first one is Italian sonnet, which is also known as patriarchal sonnet. And second one is the English sonnet, which is also known as Shakespearean sonnet. The first one, the Italian or patriarchal sonnet, consists 14 lines and it divides into 8 plus 6 lines. 8 lines are known as octave and 6 lines are known as sextet. The rhyme scheme of octave is fixed one. The rhyme scheme is AB, BA, AB, BA for the octave. But there is a variation in the rhyme scheme of sextet used by different sonneteers. Sometimes it is CD, 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 or sometimes it is CDE, CDE. Such a octave, the first line, 8 lines, focus on a problem or a question or something. While the suspect resolve such a question or resolve such a problem or to conclude the theme. The second part, the second type of sonnet is English sonnet or Shakespearean sonnet. Sir Thomas Welch and Earl of Surrey, that is Henry Howard, brought the sonnet from Italy to England in 16th century. And at the beginning, such a English sonnetist used such a sonnet form as it is, that is octave plus sextet. But Earl of Surrey introduced a new model for sonnets, which consists three quatrains and a couplet, with fixed rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of English sonnet is it's like Edmund Spenser used a different rhyme scheme for his sonnets. Such an English sonnet was much developed by William Shakespeare, and that's why such an English sonnet known with the name of Shakespeare, that is Shakespearean sonnet. When we are speaking about the quatrains, the quatrains of English sonnets develop a theme or arguments, and a couplet provides a twist, a resolution, and profound closing thoughts. There are many major contributors of such a sonnet. When we are speaking about 16th century Elizabethan era, these sonnets like Sir Thomas Watt, Earl of Surrey, Edmund Spenser, Sir Philip Sidney, and William Shakespeare flourished such a form in this era. The poets like or sonnets like John Milton also composed a few sonnets in his life. The poets like William Wordsworth, John Keats, and P.B. Shelley composed sonnets in 19th century. And such a sonnet form becomes very popular form of poem by the contribution of poets like Watt, Earl of Surrey, Spenser, Sidney, Shakespeare, Milton, Wordsworth, Keats, and Shelley. Thank you. Thank you very much.